In today's world, quite the majority has hopped onto the cryptocurrency bandwagon, and out of them, many are so curious about Safemoon and where it's heading. In fact, even Elon Musk, an entrepreneur and crypto lover whose crypto advice many look up to, has also spoken about Safemoon. So where exactly is it heading? Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we shall be looking at Safemoon and its current stance in the market and how it could be heading towards bear territory. Before we get into the technicalities of Safemoon's performance, let's take a quick look at what Safemoon exactly is. Well, Safemoon is based on the blockchain network and is one that aims to make massive improvements in the metaverse, the commerce industry, and technology. These improvements made by such entities will advance our world by quite a large magnitude, and it's just the beginning. Safemoon has been trending for quite some time now, and its price performance of late is something that has left many investors unsure on whether it is hitting a bull market or a bear one. As of June and July 2022, quite a few fluctuations have been witnessed. The downward trending line for Safemoon has been anticipating the bull to break higher, but on the contrary, the line going upwards has underpinned Safemoon's price. Both buyers and sellers are confused, and with volatility in the industry being a constant, a breakout bull or bear could take place. But in today's video, we shall be focusing on Safemoon hitting a bear market, as that's what most analysts are predicting as of now. So first up, what is a bear market? Well, a bear market is when a certain cryptocurrency or the cryptocurrency market in general is hitting a downward trend in terms of its prices. In simple terms, this means that the supply of the coin is more than the demand and that the coin is hitting prices, leaving investors confused on whether they should hold on to the currency or sell it before they have to incur worse losses. If you take a quick look at Safemoon's performance over the past few weeks, it has not been favorable to its investors. In fact, Safemoon has been struggling quite immensely in terms of its price. Though in the middle it did show bullish trades, it didn't last long. In fact, during that point in time, a 2% increase was witnessed, but that was about it. In fact, after this happened, many still felt that Safemoon was stuck hard in a sideways market. Now going back to a few months ago, in June, Safemoon was down 39%. Many thought July would be the month where Safemoon makes a comeback after a strong recovery. The reason behind people believing in this was because of the strong bullish nature that the currency had just prior to the closing of the month of June. Then came July and the performance of the coin was quite promising initially. It is in fact changed by more than 10%, following which it started to drop. As of the end of July, Safemoon was down 3%. Thus, trying to understand or even establish a trend from this performance is quite next to impossible. But many investors, experts, and analysts have been looking to find out the reasons behind why Safemoon has been performing the way it has. Well, one logical reason that they did come up with includes the cryptocurrency crash. For those of you who are not aware of the cryptocurrency crash, well, it has been affecting a lot of investors. The main reason behind the crypto downturn is due to the inflation that has hit our world quite recently. Inflation is not something that'll go away anytime soon, so expecting the crash to subside anytime soon is not something likely to happen. With this soaring inflation, people are hesitating to buy and sell crypto. In fact, even Coinbase has stated that they have noticed fewer transactions after the entire crypto market has been at its lowest year. If we are to look at other coins for comparison, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other altcoins, their performance in spring has not been great. In fact, springtime was when inflation really started to have effects on the world, and that really did tend to have a negative effect on quite a few economies of the world, as well as the stock and crypto markets too. So yes, inflation really has affected Safemoon and many other major and minor cryptos. So has the performance of Bitcoin. If you're a crypto geek or an investor, you'll know that the price of Bitcoin affects almost all the other coins in the cryptocurrency industry. Thus, when Bitcoin is faced with a struggle, the altcoins also end up being affected in the process. This results in them entering a bearish or sideways market. But putting this logic to Safemoon, this coin fails to follow any proper trend, and though it should have had a very strong bearish move due to other crypto prices falling, Safemoon has been trading sideways. So with all that being said, let's take a quick look at Safemoon's price prediction. Taking a look at its performance a few weeks prior to now, Safemoon has exhibited a sideways trend in the market. It exhibited this trend strongly for almost 2 weeks. Though some days amongst them were highly bullish, the gains that the investors made during this time were completely wiped out by the bearish movement that followed. Thus, drawing out an analysis from all of that, it is safe enough to say that the next few trading sessions of Safemoon may mostly be a continuation of the trading taking place sideways. A bullish trend may appear out of the blue, but even that could be wiped away by the bearish trends that would follow. So if the price of Safemoon rises above $0.00047, considering its monthly opening price, a bullish trend may be established. But if a drop below $0.0000422 is witnessed, a bearish trend will likely follow. Safemoon is having its bears and bulls being squeezed, thus eradicating any logical trend from being derived. But until any specific trend is established, Safemoon price is being considered by many as a coin that's facing a downward trend. Now here's another important thing to note. In order to witness an upside break, a catalyst must be introduced into the market equation so as to witness the buying volume blow up. This would in turn increase the SFM price action. The catalyst that we mentioned earlier may come in many ways. A weekly gain in equities could be one way through which this could be witnessed. Another way of this happening could be if the geopolitical situation worldwide calms down a bit. If either of these happens, Safemoon would rush towards a price of $0.0005791, which means that the 20% bear would give the traders gains that would keep them in the crypto game with some optimism. But every investor has a different way of gauging their portfolios. For instance, quite a few investors would start panicking as soon as they see their investment portfolios turning red. They would wish to take their money out of the market ASAP so as to avoid losing a lot of money. But on the other hand, there may be some smart investors who hold on to their coins much longer, as they know the storm will pass and brighter days will come, and that the wait will be totally worth it. Waiting out long term almost always pays off at the end. So now the big question that many are asking is if it's a good time to buy Safemoon. Well, we just gave a brief on what it has been going through over the last few weeks. It's also important to note that Investor Observer has given Safemoon a score of 12. These scores are usually generated based on past data and trading patterns. This is quite detrimental to making an investment decision, as it helps decide if an investment is a strong buy and hold investment opportunity or not. As of now, Safemoon is said to have a long-term technical analysis score of more than 12% in terms of the crypto being circulated, and this long-term rank is what will help investors in understanding how to grow their assets steadily. Thus, if a high-long technical score and a short-term technical score would be combined, the investors will be able to take a look at their portfolios and understand the coins that have bottomed out. So all in all, the natural volatility that exists in the industry, inflation, and a weak long-term technical score of 12 has enabled many to believe that Safemoon is headed towards a bearish pathway. What are your thoughts on Safemoon's journey over the next few months? Do you think it'll continue to tread on a bearish path or turn towards a bullish one? Let's know what you think in the comment section below. On that note, we come to the end of this video. We hope you were able to benefit from this video. Please do drop this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so as to turn on your post notifications. See you soon.